Hello everyone, and today my presentation is on brain inflammation found in veterans with Gulf War illness. So Gulf War illness, or GWI, can be classified as an accumulation of certain illnesses associated with active service in the 1990-1991 Persian Gulf War. Some symptoms are muscle pain, cognitive problems, insomnia, rashes, and diarrhea. GWI is different than other wartime illnesses in the result that it's not the result of combat or other stressors during war as a cause for the disorder. There is a main cause for GWI that is agreed on, but most researchers would agree that the likely causes are the toxic chemicals that soldiers were exposed to during the war due to burning oil wells, vaccines, and progestamine bromide tablets, which were tablets used as a pre-treatment to protect against nerve agents, which did more harm than good. There are other factors, but these are the most relevant. And different than other wars, Gulf War veterans had lower rates of PTSD than other war veterans, but they also were greatly impacted by GWI. Of the 697,000 U.S. troops, about 35% of them would develop GWI. The study included 23 veterans, 15 of whom had GWI, as well as 25 healthy civilian subjects. All participants' brains were scanned using a PET imaging, which measured levels of a translocated protein that rises in the presence of neuroinflammation. The researchers found extensive inflammation in the brains of veterans with GWI, particularly in the cortical higher order function regions. The neuroinflammation resembles the widespread cortical inflammation seen in fibromyalgia patients. Fibromyalgia is a chronic disorder characterized by widespread musculoskeletal pain, fatigue, and tenderness in localized areas. The causes of this disorder is also not known, which could indicate a similar cause with GWI. The researchers aim to focus on understanding the cause of the neuroinflammation and ways to mitigate the inflammatory process in the brain. As stated by one researcher, while the inflammatory response can be beneficial in the short term, it may become exaggerated, and when that happens, inflammation becomes pathological. It becomes the problem. The findings of the GWI study could help induce a more aggressive evaluation of neuroinflammation, as well as a potential therapeutic target to ease pain and suffering. By easing the inflammatory response in the brain, researchers would be able to mitigate other symptoms besides the ones laid out for GWI that would greatly benefit a large number of people. Thank you, and here are my